Now, now we're going to study about the pricing policy. As you know that the pricing means, as you know that the price means to buy something, and they have a fix, they have a certain price which we call as the price. For example, the goods or service which contribute in producing something called the cost is a factor of production. Maybe you may call it as the major factor of production is classified by economics or land, capital, labor, and entrepreneurship. The factor of production are rewarded for their contribution to the production of goods and services, as well as you know that according to some definition, according to the traditional analysis, different theories are required for the determination of different factor prices. Different determination of factor prices is different from the determination of product prices, which is based on the demand as well as the supply of product. Why it depend upon the demand and supply? Because it have everything is depend upon the productive factor of the production as well as the joint demand, as they contribute in a combined way in the production of goods and services. See, moreover, the supply of factor of production is also different from the supply of goods, and with regard to the factor of production is difficult to estimate. Hmm? On the other hand, we can say that factor of production can also be based on the force of demand as well as the supply, similar to the determination of product prices. You can say that whenever you're going to determine the demand for the factor of production, you may consider about the profit maximization, because you start your own business just because for the profit maximization, and if you're not getting anything, what's the use of that business? So here is in the pricing, you will always consider about the price, as well as the maximum how you will get the maximum profit. See, and the market demand is determined by the summing of the demand from all the firms. Now, we are going to study about the theories of factor pricing. As you know that the factor price, what exactly is factor pricing? Factor pricing means the price is paid for the service rendered by the factor of production, but not the price of the factor itself. For example, you can say that rent is the price paid for usage of land, but it is not the price to own the land, but it just we're using it, then we are paying for the particular amount for that product. Now we have as goods are produced, as you know that as goods are produced through the combined efforts of the factor production, the income earned through sale of products or remuneration for services is distributed among the four factor production. Theory, what exactly is theory of factor pricing? Is basically the distribution of income among the factor of production. The process of income distribution can be done in two way. There are two way. These are personal distribution, and the second one is the functional distribution. First of all, we are going to elaborate about the personal distribution. In the personal distribution, we are talking about the income distribution. That is the national income of a country. The national income of a country is distributed among the owners of various sectors of production, such as rent for land, rented wages for labor, interest on the capital invested, and profit for entrepreneurship. Thus, the pattern of individual income generation is studied under the personal distribution. We can study all these things in the method of personal distribution. Now, the term is functional distribution. Functional distribution of income distribution deals with the distribution of income among the four factors of production. Why is it function? Because here we have a distribution of income in a four category like land, labor, capital, and the entrepreneur. See, it lays emphasis on the source of income for factors of production such as, say, rent for the land as well as the wages for labor, interest for capital, and profit for entrepreneur. See, excuse me. There are two factors, two theories in functional distribution. These are macro theory of distribution, and the second one is micro theory of distribution. In the macro theory of distribution, we are discussing about the distribution of income among the factor of production. See, how is it possible? The process of which your national income distribute can be termed as macro distribution. The macro theory of distribution have determined the, you can say, the different share of a different product for different share for a product in a difficult scenario. See, now we have a micro theory of distribution. In a micro theory of income distribution, we concentrate on individual unlike. Individual unlike means that this theory of factor pricing determine the way to determine distribute rewards for factor of production. Basically, two micro theories are considered for the determining a functional theory. These are marginal productivity theory and the modern theory of factor pricing. In a modern theory of factor pricing, and the next thing we are going to study about the marginal productivity of factor pricing. Marginal productivity of factor pricing means it was as you know that it was generated by initially used by David Ricardo, and later it was applied by Montfell Longfield to determine interest of capital and wages for labor. But the marginal theory of factor pricing was fully developed by Clark, Wickstead, Limits, and Walls by the 19th century. See, the statement of marginal productivity theory is given by J.B. Clark. J.B. Clark, who are biggest economists of that era, according to him, under static condition, every factor influence the entrepreneur would get remuneration equal to his margin. He say that whatever you're going to buy, whatever the product is, everybody gives effect and gives inflection on their product, and whatever you're going to buy to the market, everything will reflect, and everything is dependent on the particular product. Okay. Now we have a elucidation. Elucidation means demand for factor of production is derived from the demand for firm for the same. Next is since the factor of production are utilized, factor of production जो है are utilized in the production process, so the demand is based on the productivity. How is it so? Because if we are using a good technology, good techniques, and good raw material and any other things, so what will happen? The demand of our product is increasing and the productivity is increasing day by day. The next thing is, as the productivity of a factor increase, its price also increase. It will think in a Pakistani manner for as the productivity of a factor increase, its price also increase. See, as in the case of a supply, when the price is increasing and the productivity is and when the price of a product is increased, the supply of that product is also be increased, and it depend upon the productivity of a factor. What are the factors which reflect their productivity? Now we have considered that the productivity is a change in the total physical factor. पूरा उसका total physical factor change in the total physical factor product of production. When one more unit of any factor production is added, while अब जैसे मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू क्या है, जब उसमें एक्स्ट्रा रेवेन्यू में, टोटल रेवेन्यू में, इफ़ वी आर पेइंग एक्स्ट्रा, इफ़ वी आर स्पेंडिंग extra amount, that we call it marginal revenue. In the same way here we are talking about the marginal physical productivity. When any factor production is added while other factor are constant, it will be changed, and it will like that MVP equal to MPP into price. Okay, marginal physical productivity is equal to marginal physical productivity into price. MVP मतलब marginal value product. The next is okay, marginal productivity theory has developed following point. First of all, reward of each vector unit is equal to, okay, whatever you have produced, whatever you produce extra, then you have to pay, you have to charge for that product a different price and an extra amount for that particular thing. For example, I'll give you a simple example. If you're working in an office and somewhere else, and somebody asks that you have to stay 2 or 3 years more, then what will you do? You will ask for your extra time that you need to pay. You have the employer should give you bonus of extra time and other stuff. And in the same way, reward of each vector production will be the same in every use. See, in every use they have some criteria by which they can given the prices and given the salary and bonus according to your skills. So it will be no use, and in the long run what will happen in the long run, the each factor production will get is remuneration. Remuneration जो भी रहेगा वो किसी से और से लेगा, वो सारा का सारा मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू से अपना उसको उठा लेगा, जिसको हम बोलते हैं एवरेज रेवेन्यू प्रोडक्टिविटी. नेक्स्ट है बंडलिंग. What is bundling? Bundling एक strategy है that enables manager to increase profit by selling 2 or more. See, for example, I'm taking an example. I have a company and I'm making I'm a company of Hindustan Lever. What exactly I'm doing? I am I'm producing more and more product for a particular price. At what exactly going to and I want to generate more and more profit. Then what I'll do, I'll charge higher price for that particular product जिससे बहुत कम लोग खरीदते हैं. And on the other hand, I will charge a little amount of my particular product by which the only little people can go and buy that particular product. Okay, many large firms are multi division, and one division sell is produced to another division of the firm. फर्म का प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइज करने के लिए व्हाट विल हैपन, वी विल ट्रांसफर द प्राइस फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, बिकॉज इफ वी आर नॉट डूइंग द सेम थिंग द प्रॉफिट शुड बी स्टेगनेंट एंड वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. ओके, ट्रांसफर प्राइस हैव बीन यूज्ड बाय global firm as well as the transfer profit from high tax country to low tax country. See, now we have a FNQ. If you have any, first one is explained factor pricing, second one is explained bundling. If you have any doubt, you may send me your queries. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for now.